You have decided to create an explainer video for your brand. That's great. Now, should you choose a live action or explainer video? Which one is better? Which one is more cost effective? And how should you choose? Most people think that animation is cheaper than live action videos, but is that really true? Also, does it take more time to create an animation or a live action commercial? Hey there, this is Ina from Kashu. Today we'll look at the main differences between live action and animated explainer video. We'll talk about the pros and cons and help you pick one style for your own video. Let's get started. Live action versus animated explainer videos. Which one is better? This debate has been around forever. Well, the truth is somewhere in the middle. Both types of videos have their place in a marketing strategy. The method you're going to use depends on the goal of the video and the intended audience and the product or service that's being promoted. The main difference between live action and the animated explainer video format is that animations give you more flexibility when you want to explain an abstract idea or a complex topic that will be hard to film and edit. On the other hand, live action videos are more personal. If the human aspect is important, then live action videos would be the best choice. Let's look at the pros and cons of live action videos first. We have a real person promoting or acting with live action videos, so obviously the content is more personal. If you have a physical product and it's important to showcase how your product looks and works, the live action videos would be the best option for you. Live action videos humanize your business and product and make people gain trust in your brand. And since nothing makes us want food or a certain beverage or a piece of clothing more than to see it in its best light, live action videos work best for tangible products you can touch, smell, or taste. Think of your favorite food. Even the best illustration can beat the juicy live image of a tasty burger. Live action videos are great if you sell food as well as in the beauty and in the fashion industry. Depending on the goal of your video and the outcome you'd like to achieve with it, you can either hire a professional crew or film your video on your own. Sometimes you can even film on your phone and still have a great video. This is not true with animations. If you have no knowledge in this field, it will be almost impossible to create an animation on your own. On the flip side, if the scope of your project is bigger, there will be more people involved in creating your video. You'll need to hire a crew, cast, equipment, and this might be a really tedious process to handle. This also means that you have less flexibility with live action videos. Say, for example, that you want to add another scene or change the label after you have already filmed the ad. It will be incredibly expensive to reshoot all the footage and add this scene in. This is not the same with animation. Since animation is digital art, it will be very easy to add a scene even in the middle of the process without hiring the film crew again and paying a lot of money to reshoot the video. Now, let's talk about animated explainer videos and the pros and cons of choosing this format. When we talk about animated explainer videos, almost anything is possible. Even if you have the most abstract idea, a good animation studio can turn it into an engaging video that people would love. This is because everyone has loved the creative world of animation and cartoons since childhood. And if you have a product or a service that would require more freedom in explaining what it is that you do, or if you want to educate people on a certain topic, then the animation would be the best option for you. Animated explainer videos are perfect for simplifying a complex idea or a more abstract concept. Say you want to educate someone on how the blockchain works. You have a really hard time doing that with live action video. However, animations would do great. Animated explainer videos are perfect for the tech and medical field as well as other types of services. There is a great variety of styles that you can choose from and make your video really interesting to watch. The perfect animation style for you depends on a number of factors, and if you want to learn more about how to choose it, check our video on this topic over here. An animated explainer video offers you a lot more options than live action. For example, it is way easier to adjust the video once it's been done, and you can also repurpose it. For example, creating a few different cuts for social media ads, and even changing the call to action or even a scene in the video. This is way harder in live action videos since you need to reshoot the footage and hire the crew again to do it for you. Not to mention that animations are way more creative and engaging than live action. Since you have almost no restrictions when it comes to explaining complex concepts, You can be sure your brand stands out from the crowd by being more creative than your competitors. Animated explainer videos also have a longer shelf life. Say, for example, that you create an animation for your website but decide to change your prices in 2 years. In animation, you can make a change like this in 2 seconds and upload the new video to make sure it's relevant. Or, even more common, you want to launch an explainer video for your application but the UI is still not ready. You can simply have your animation studio put a generic UI mockup and people will still know what you're talking about. You can also change the animation if you rebrand. The animated content you produce can last years before you need to produce another one. And this is not the case with live action videos. You can't use one live action video for 10 years because it'll look outdated. This is why animated explainer videos are way more cost effective in the long run. But of course, the human touch is missing in animation. If you want the customers to identify with your brand, then animation might not be the best option. It all comes down to your goals, your target audience, and your message. So bear them in mind when you pick a format for your video. Now that you know the pros and cons of animation and live action videos, let's see how to pick one for your business. If you have a physical product or want to convey an emotion, the live action videos would be the perfect choice for you. For example, you can create a testimonial or a live action ad. Animated explainer videos are primarily used in explaining complex ideas or educating viewers on a certain topic. Animated educational videos are way more engaging and interesting to watch than a live action video of a person presenting something on camera. When it comes to picking between the two formats, always consider your message, target audience, and your goal. That will help you make the best decision on which one of these formats is better for your brand. That was it for today, guys. I hope you found this video useful. If so, like, comment, and share this video. Thank you for your time and see you next week.